Unleashing Inner Peace, a journey through the 10 most famous yoga poses. Let's start with mountain pose. Stand tall, your feet hip-width apart, hands by your side. Feel the earth beneath your feet. This pose instills calmness, improves posture, and lays the foundation for all standing poses. Next, we have Downward Facing Dog. This inverted V pose strengthens your arms, shoulders, and back while stretching your hamstrings, calves, and arches. It's rejuvenating and offers a unique perspective of the world. Meet Warrior Eye, a pose that resonates with strength. Your body facing forward, 1 foot behind, hands stretched upwards towards the sky. It instills courage, stretches your hips and chest, and builds lower body strength. Warrior 2 is all about balance and stretching. With your body turned sideways, 1 foot forward, hands extended to each side, feel the energy flowing. It opens your chest, promotes better breathing, and strengthens your legs. Triangle pose is a delightful blend of balance and flexibility. With your feet wide apart, one hand touching your shin and the other reaching for the sky, this pose strengthens your legs, stretches your torso, and improves your sense of balance. Moving on to Child's Pose. Kneel down, rest your torso on your thighs, and stretch your arms forward. This restful pose calms your brain, stretches your back, and helps relieve stress and fatigue. Next is Bridge Pose. Lying on your back, with your knees bent, lift your back and hips off the floor. This pose rejuvenates tired legs, stretches your chest and neck, and helps relieve symptoms of menopause. The Seated Forward Bend is a classic hamstring stretch. Seated with legs extended, bend forward from your hip joints. This pose calms your brain, helps relieve stress, and stimulates the liver and kidneys. The Tree Pose is all about balance. Stand tall, bend one knee, and place the foot on the inner thigh of the other leg. It strengthens your spine, promotes balance, and instills a sense of calm and poise. Finally, we have Corpse Pose. Lying flat on your back, arms and legs relaxed, mind at ease. It's the perfect pose to end your practice. It calms the mind, reduces headache, fatigue, and insomnia, promoting peace and tranquility. So there you have it, a journey through the 10 most famous yoga poses. Remember, yoga is not just about physical fitness, it's about creating harmony between the body and mind. Breathe, relax, and enjoy the journey.